Guys, this is a sweet patient of mine. She came to me with multiple complaints. She had acne scars. She also just wanted to improve various areas of her face, that she had hollowness. So, this is a combination of many things I've done for this patient to bring her from here to there, including getting rid of her acne, resurfacing her with lasers to improve her acne scars, as well as correcting contour abnormalities that she has around her eyes and her cheeks by adding fillers to give her a more balanced look, to get rid of her under eye hollows, and to give her a more triangular cheek. So this is a home run procedure using multiple modalities to improve her holistically.